are you today? Nice and warm, isn't it? Too hot. So if it's too hot, what do? You go in the shed, decide to do a video about how sharp your knives are. Why? Gotta be on the camera's idea. Anyway, so, Exmo Blaze knives. Skinning knife. It will cut. Mark 1 Bushcraft with ferro rod inserted knife. It will cut. Trial of antler handled folding knife. Not happy with it. It's not leaving the shed. But it will cut. Mark 2 version of the folding Liner-Lock penknife. Not happy with it. It's not leaving the shed. But it will cut. Latest edition of Liner-Lock folding penknife. Quite like this one actually. So this may leave the shed if it cuts. Oh, was that me or was it the knife? Don't worry, it was me. It will cut. What's next? Ooh, Spidey knife. I like this one. I've had this one for ages. It will cut. And last but not least, it would be rude, wouldn't it? Oh, what's this, you're wondering? Well, if you don't know, you obviously haven't been following my YouTube, so make sure you subscribe, click the notification, because I do a lot of weird stuff. This is a Damascus Bowie. Although some people say it's a pirate, but it's not. I hand cast all of this. This is desert ironwood that I was kindly gifted, and this is a low layer Damascus. But will it cut? Now this is a big old chunky knife. It will cut. And lastly, look at that. Isn't that sweet? That's it. Not doing any more. Made a mess of my shed. Got to tidy it all up now. But I just thought let you know that anything I make, guys, if it don't cut, it ain't happening. So I just love doing that, don't you? There's something about it in it. It's paper. You know, it's not a steak. It's not a piece of wood. It's not anything else. Like, oh, did you see how fine that was? But there's something about it. Cutting waves into a bit of paper. Anyway, take care everyone. Normal service will resume shortly, and I'll see you all soon. Bye.